to show you a quick video of how we do vaccination. And this is the third Newcastle for layers, which we give every month or every 6 weeks if you want. So these are basically the things that you need. This is where the vaccine is. You have to always keep it. You have to always keep it in a very cold vacuum flask. So you have your surgical gloves. You have to make sure that the vaccine doesn't touch your real skin in order to avoid spreading, because the virus, there's live virus in the vaccine. Also, you need a syringe, a new syringe, disposable syringe, which you are going to use to take out the vaccine from the bottle. So very quickly, we also have some chilled water, because you need to keep it chilled until the birds have been able to consume it, probably within an hour. So you pour some of the cold water from the vaccine into the water, then you take out your vaccine. Of course. So as you can see, I've already wore my disposable gloves. So here is it. You open it like this. You make sure your real skin doesn't touch the vaccine itself. Otherwise, even your body temperature can let the virus die, or the vaccine can render the vaccine inactive. So here is it. This is how it is. Now what you do is you put a little bit of the water, the cold water, just about 2 ml. Then you pour it, you inject it into the vaccine bottle. So you have something like this, as you can see. Then you shake it gently for it to mix well. You can add some more water in order for it to dilute well. So put it inside again. As much as possible, you are trying to avoid contact with the virus. So by now it looks more diluted, and you have to pull it back again. So that is the virus there coming. So sometimes you realize that some of the vaccine will still remain in the diluted one. What you have to do is pour some more water and then add it to it so that you can get everything. So pour the water in it and you shake it again and you pull it back. How many minutes so far? So then you pour your cold water. You are still diluting it with 40 liters of drinking water. This is 1,000 ml vaccine, so you mix it with 40 liters. You have to shake it. But sometimes your tap is something like this. As the water is filling, it's already doing the mixing by itself. So what we are going to do is we will set up the drinkers. They must consume it within 2 hours. So when you're always taking record of how many liters the birds drink in a day, at least do about 25% of what they drink in a day and let them consume it for the day. Then before you can give them their normal water for the day. So you set out the drinkers like this. Then, like I said, you share it for them. They should be able to consume it within 2 hours. After 2 hours, the vaccine is not active. Actually, it's 3, but you have to give yourself that limit of 2 hours so that the vaccine can work perfectly. So this is how we do vaccination here at Victory Farms, located at Konongo. And you can also apply the same principle at your farm. Always keep a record of what you give to your birds. Thank you very much, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you.